All right, let's see if we can finish the review up. I wish I could have done it in one video or split it up a little bit differently, but I didn't. So we got two more that we need to complete. All right, taking a look at number 11. I see parentheses, so that's going to be my first thing I'm going to get rid of. So I'm going to distribute the -4 here. So when I distribute -4 times -2 is a +8. Minus 32x, because negative times a positive gives us a negative 32x. That equals 92 minus 4x. Not 49. Oh my. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. And 4x. So I have x's on both sides, and it really doesn't matter which way that I go with these as long as I move them. So I'm going to move the 32x just so I stay positive. And I know that I would stay positive because this 32 is larger, or more negative actually. So when I add it, it ends up being positive. So I end up with 8 equals 92 plus 28x. So what is happening to x? Well, we're multiplying by 28, and then we're adding 92. So if I'm going to undo that, I need to work backwards. And so if I'm working backwards, I'm going to end up with, or taking care of the plus 92 first. So I'm going to subtract 92. And if I have 8 minus 92, I end up with a negative 84, and that equals 28x. And then my last step would be to divide by 28. That didn't come out very good. One's negative and one's positive on this side. So when I divide, I end up with -3 equals x. All right, and let's finish it up here. In number 12, it looks like I have two things to have to distribute. So first one would be here, where I take 5 times 2x to get 10x, and minus 20, because 5 times -4 would be the minus 20. And then I have this -2. Remember, it's not just 2, it's a -2. So I'm going to take -2 times 3x to get -6x, and minus 14, because -2 times 7 gives us a -14. Okay, and that equals -42. I see x's a variety of places, but they're all on one side. So when they're on the one side, I just need to put things together. So I have my variables to put together, and then I have my constants to put together. So 10x minus 6x is going to give me 4x. -20 minus 30, or excuse me, minus 14 would give me -34, and that equals -42. So what's being done to x? Well, we're multiplying by 4, and we're subtracting 34. So in order to get rid of it, I need to do the inverse. I need to do the opposite. So I'm going to add 34 first. And when I add 34 to -42, I end up with -8. And that equals 4x on this side, because those are gone. So next thing, to get rid of multiplying by 4, I'm going to divide by 4. And so x is going to equal, because those are gone, -2. And that should be my answer. Okay, if you're still not understanding or struggling, you need to come in and ask questions so that I can help you better understand. But making the list is going to be huge. Keeping track of your signs, especially when you distribute, is going to be huge. Good luck.